Well, everybody had a bath to get nice and clean for camera time. And of course, first thing they all did was went straight to dirt. So everybody's a little dirty. But hey, we tried, right? They're all kind of whining right now. Upset about the whole bath idea. There's our little brown collared male. He's sold. And there's the green collared male with dirt on his head. There's the yellow collared female. She is going to the stud. And over here's Pinky. This is Sean's favorite. She's living in Arizona. Is that your favorite puppy, Sean? Huh? Yeah, why don't you bring her over by everybody else and get her out of that dirt? They insist on laying in the dirt. Say, come on, everybody, come over here.
Come on, bud.
There's Mom. She's watching everything, making sure everybody stays away from her babies. Ouch, I'm getting scratched. Puppies! 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 What? There's Blue Collar, he's known for that. Bit of a crybaby. Oh, go get Greenie over there. He's underneath the swing. See him? Everybody's bugging Mom. Oh, she's going to be nice. See if I can back up far enough. They're getting big. They'll be 6 weeks old on Sunday. Almost ready for their new homes. Sean loves to be in the camera. Mia usually doesn't let her pups nurse after about 4 weeks old. Usually she has a litter of all reds. This is her first time having all whites, and she's kind of spoiling them. I think she's kind of partial to them because they look like her. Sean, move and let the babies eat. Is that your girl? She's a great family pet. That's Sean's dog. She's panting. Breathing? Yeah, when she breathes like that, it's called panting. It's called panting. It's a beautiful day today. So we're letting everybody enjoy some outdoor weather. Oh, is she giving you kisses? Yeah, she loves you, huh? You too? Let's get a little closer. And they're pushing her down. They say, lay down, Mom. Yeah, Mia, they knock you down? Hello, puppies! Puppies! Oh, she's going to play with them. Is that your babies, Mia? Mia, is that your babies? I got babies attacking my feet. They sure are fun to have. As much as I love to have them, I can't wait till they go to their new homes. It's a lot of work. Plus, I love seeing everybody's face when they come to get their babies.
Mama, look there right here.
Nope. Nothing's there.
I don't have them to bite me.
Nope. They're not being very active right now since Mia's actually letting them eat for a minute. Oh. Careful, girl. Pinky's always hanging. I've seen Mia walk with her hanging from her. She's about done with them. Now they're usually only with her at night. But I figured to run around outside, I'd bring her out. Mia, is that your babies?
Mom.
What?
They're not Mia.
Yeah. Today was Sean's last day of school, huh? He starts kindergarten next year after summer vacation.
Well, remember ABD?
You forgot TUVWX. Hey, get that puppy over there away from that stump. That's just something else for him to get dirty on. Pick him up, please. Put your cup down for a minute. Oh, he followed you. Looks like I'm getting my feet attacked again. Puppies! Puppies! I don't do a lot of running around yet. They tend to get under my feet and stay there. Look at that one all dirty. They're all dirty. All their bottoms from sitting down in dirt. Yep.
Ow!
Alright, well, I guess that's it for now. Mia, sit. Sit, girl. Good girl. Stay there. Ah, stay. Stay. No, quit. Well, she wants to play too, so. Mia. Mia, sit. Sit. Say bye. Mia. Hey. I'm talking to you. Mia. Say bye. Mia. Got a puppy back there? Yep, there's Pinky. Always bugging Mom. I ain't got nothing. Alright. Battery's flashing. Oh, look at there. They found the dirt again. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, everybody's here. Pinky, you just won't give Mom a rest, will ya?